He's a good kid.
He's a good kid? A good kid? Why? Does he help the fucking poor? No. He sits on his ass all day.
Come on. Shit, come on. Damn, this nigga must got the baby dick.
You always was old choosy, motherfucker. Oh, you ballin' hard with the drop top, huh?
I might just be.
Whatever, nigga. It ain't gonna make you go no faster. Hit me on the speakerphone, I'm moving.
Oh, it's like that, nigga?
87 if you ain't gon' give it, motherfucker, I'ma take it. Wanna try it to erase it, it's the brain on the bacon.
Right up here, homie. I'm about to go nice and slow for your bitch ass.
All right. It's a broad day shit, facelift traces, and
Hey, remember we gotta be careful with these rides, homie. The Simeon ain't about to dock my pay again.
Homie, man, if you need some bread, I can hook you up with JB's tow truck. It ain't got glamour, but it's some money to be made.
So him and Tanya can smoke crack in peace? Homie, I'm good.
gotta get away, driver this selling in the snow. Ferrari with a 49 tape pressure out.
Damn, dog, how much we getting for these repos? I'm gonna be one reluctant motherfucker giving this up.
Man, there's enough bad credit going around, homie. It's like it's an endless supply in this fucked up ass country.
Right, homie?
Shit, cool, homie. Oh, shit! Oh, we filming shit here, huh?
Hey, down this alley here.
Uh-huh.
This meant to be your shit.
Yeah.
Cross the street when you see us by the store. I want the leash dick hanging on the floor. Last cutters rolled up in the waistband of the old Nazi.
To the left.
Fine.
You ain't even testing me.
Please, homie.
Oh! I'm thinking left.
Yeah, that's cool. Man, shit.
You want to get whips like this, you gotta stay on your grit nine.
Nigga ain't do some time over nickels and dimes. I stick to repos, dog.
I'm schooling your ass, boy.
Whatever you say.
Let me give it to you right now because it's still living. Freddie Gibbs.
Remember, this is your Terrier's car.
Hey, I'll come at you from the shoulders, homie.
I'm gonna make a withdrawal, homie.
You dumb motherfucker, that's the Union Depository. What you going slow up the road for, dog? Move over so the traffic can flow through.
Whatever, nigga. I'll let something flow through your ass.
Dog. Man, I'm sorry, fool. Screw it.
Officers have lost sight of the suspect. Code 4 on unit control.
I don't get you, bro.
You are a racist and I don't like you. And I will not sell you this car. I will not. You make my skin crawl, you neo-Nazi. Hey, you are all the same. You're disgusting. This racist insulted me.
Hey, what's up, boo?
So, Jimmy, are you sure you are man enough? Take the wheel and show me.
Sure, okay.
How about we fall through, homie?
Checks, bust the ass nigga, run your mouth and get your ass blowed off. Watch me.
This chump change. How I'm gonna knock a bad, grown and sexy bitch if I ain't got a fat Pizaki?
Who you trying to impress?
Your auntie Denise, with all that ass, nigga, she got ass.
She grown, yeah. She grown into a fucking idiot.
Nah, she's sexy.
Sexy? She more like obsessed with sex, nigga.
Nah, mad for the penis. That's exactly how I like my women.
Man, shit, it's good to be home.
Walk around, lay around, you heard?
What's up? Can a low come up in your crib?